Welcome you all. Throughout my life, I have seen that there are two types of people, and today I'm gonna talk about those two types. One who just spend their life, and on the other hand, the people who live their life. People who live their life live every moment of it in a creative manner, in a new manner, in a different manner. The people who live life investigate their life, they observe themselves, they observe their thoughts, words, and deeds. What did they do? How did they do? How they can perform in a better manner? How can they create enthusiasm in and around people, in and around world? Because they are living every moment of it, they are excited for their future. Socrates said, examined life is worth living. Every night before you go to sleep, you have an opportunity to examine your thoughts, words, and deeds. And when you examine your thoughts, words, and deeds, it becomes a better phase of finding yourself. It will find a better ways of thinking, communication, and action. On the other side, there are people who spend their life. They have no existential value. They come into world just to consume things around. They are living in false imagination. They don't look forward to anything great happening in their life. Dale Carnegie said, most humans go to grave just by using 5% of their full potential. These people who spend their life are the one who use 5% of their potential. But the person who live their life use 20, 30, 40, even 60, even 80% of their life potential. So there is an opportunity of each of you listening to me to live life or to spend life. So a decision has to be taken, and a decision has to be taken right now, right here, today by you. And once you take a decision that I'll gonna live life, I'll gonna live moment to moment, and I'm going to make a better me and a better self of what I was yesterday, those are the people, my dear friends, who adds meanings to their life. Those are the one whom people look up to as a senior, as a role model, as an ideal, as a guru, as a teacher, as a mentor. So I welcome you to the School of Serial Entrepreneurship by my startup Swdharma, which is spreading like a fire all across the nation. Neeti taught us how to be vibrant all the time. Neeti provides fertile ecosystem to an individual to bloom and blossom and live their life to its fullest. So I welcome you. Thank you so much. Afnan Kazmi here, signing off.